Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make Caribbean style pot roast beef. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm using to make my Caribbean style pot roast beef. Here, this is the beef I'm going to use. Here, I have some green seasoning. I'm going to use Montreal seasoning. Here, I have some chopped garlic, tomatoes chopped up. I have some beef stock, tomato paste. Here I'm going to use a piece of butter. This is rosemary and thyme. I'm going to use some red cooking wine. Here I have some home fried potato, some onions. Here I have some carrots. Here I have some scallions chopped up. I'm going to use some pimentos. Now I'm going to season the beef with the Montreal seasoning. It's very thick, so you have to put lots of seasoning on it. Now I'm going to add some green seasoning to it. Now I'm going to make it marinate for 2 hours on the counter, not inside the fridge. So it's gonna stay on the counter to marinate for 2 hours before I cook it, okay? Now it's 2 hours since I seasoned the beef. I'm going to cook it now. So this the pot I'm going to roast the beef in. Add some oil. It's like 4 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to start off by pan sear it first. So I'm going to pan sear it for 4 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to turn it over on the next side. Going to make it cook for 4 minutes on that side before I take it out. Now I'm going to take it out. I'm going to add butter. All of this is seasoning inside, okay? Lots of flavor. Now I'm going to add the onions. Add the garlic. Pimentos. add in the tomatoes, scallions, now I'm going to add the tomato paste. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of red cooking oil. Now I'm going to add some seasoned meat tenderizer to it. Now I'm going to add the beef stock. All of it. Now I'm going to turn up the stove and high heat. Going to add back the beef. Now I'm going to add the rosemary and thyme. Going to add the potatoes. Going to add carrots. And the potatoes them wash already, my people, okay? Now I'm going to allow it to come to a boil. Soon as it come to a boil, I'm going to finish it up in the oven. Okay, now that it come to a boil, I'm going to cover it up and put it inside the oven. So I already have the oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to put it inside the oven for 2 hours and 45 minutes to slow cook. So meanwhile, the beef in the oven roasting, I'm going to make some mashed potato. So stick around. Okay, now I'm going to peel the potatoes. Now I'm just going to cut them in two. Going to put them in this pot. Now to the pot, I'm going to add water to cover them. That's enough. Going to add salt. Going to cover it and allow them to cook until they come soft. Okay, it's 30 minutes since the potato on the stove boiling. Them cook, so I'm just going to turn off the stove and drain them off. So I'm going to use this potato ricer for the potatoes. You just need to put the potatoes in there like this. Just like that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. In case you're interested in this potato ricer, I'm going to leave a link below the video where you could purchase it from. Now, I'm going to add butter. And this is 1 stick of butter, okay? Extra butter make your potato creamy, okay? Now, go add a little salt, okay? Salt to taste, not too much salt, okay? Just like that. Going to add some heavy cream, not too much heavy cream, okay? Just a little bit of heavy cream based on how much mashed potato you're making. Just a little bit more heavy cream. So this is it. Here you have it, mashed potato. Okay, now I'm going to open it up. Hot. The whole thing hot. Jaja. Look at that. See how tender this is? Look at this, my people. See how tender this is? Cooked to perfection. Can't wait to eat some of this. Potatoes cook, see? Cooked to perfection. Alright, now I'm going to serve it. So here you have it, my people. Caribbean style pot roast beef. Look how beautiful this is. Jaja. I wish you could have tasted some. So I'm going to list all the ingredients below the video. So check below the video for all the ingredients, okay? I just want to say thank you so much to watch my video to the end. See you in the next one. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.